What's up everybody, this is KG. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a men's hairstyling product. It is called the American Crew Matte Clay. I've been using this product for over a year now and I've gotten good use out of it, and I'm going to tell you about my experience using this particular product. So this hairstyling product is designed for someone with shorter or medium length hair, and it will work best for people with that hair length. I will also test it out on my hair so you can see how the finished product looks. Right now I've only blow dried my hair and I have no product in it right now, so you will see this is the before and then you'll see the after when I put it in. The other thing about this product is that it has a medium high hold, so it really holds your hair well when you do style it, and you can shape it in different types of ways depending on what kind of hairstyle you're looking for. And from using it for over a year, I can tell you that when you do style it the way you want, it does hold it really well. And it keeps it for a long time. It'll hold it for the day, and sometimes even the next day you can reshape it with the same product that you've applied the day before, and it will still hold up quite well, at least in my case. Now this particular product is a matte clay, so a matte finish has like a low shine on it, and the clay portion of it gives it a strong hold. So in combination you get a little bit of shine, you get a little bit of a hold, and I think the look of it is close to a natural look with a little bit of a shine in it. And I really like that. I also find that it gives a little bit more of texture to your hair and a little bit more thickness to it, so it looks good once you finish putting it on. And compared to other products that I've used, it's not too greasy and it feels good on your head when you put it on. So now I'm going to open it up just so that you can see what it looks like from the inside. And this is like a close-up of it over here. You can see I've already started using the product. You can see it's kind of like a thick clay, like when you take it out, it has a thickness to it, and then you can work it into your hands and then put it into your hair, and it will work quite well. The other thing I do like about this product is that when you wash your hair later on with shampoo, it comes out quite easily. And compared to other hair gels and pastes and things that I've used, I find this one is not too greasy compared to those ones. So that's another plus. But before I put the American Crew product on my hair, I just want to talk to you about two other ones that I've used so you can have sort of a comparison. The first one over here is made by a company called Schwarzkopf. It got to be glued. So this is like a spiking gel. I used to use this one back in the day, but the problem with this one is that it makes your hair really hard. So when you put it, it turns it into like stone. So it does hold the hair, but it makes it really, really hard, which I didn't like. So after that, I had tried this other one, which is like a same company, Schwarzkopf molding paste. So I tried using this one later on because I wanted something that doesn't make your hair as hard. And this one is supposed to be like a grooming paste. And the thing I found about this is that it was kind of oily and greasy, and it didn't have a strong enough hold. It had a medium kind of a hold, but not a medium strong hold. It was like a medium weak hold. And also the smell of it, I didn't really like how this thing smelled. The American Crew one has a nice fresh out of the shower kind of fragrance to it, almost a little bit citrusy, and it smells a lot better than this one, that's for sure. So it has a nice fragrance compared to this. So those were my first two products prior to using the American Crew. So I got the American Crew back in my hand now. Yeah, it has a very, very good fragrance to it. I like it a lot. It's just a very fresh and nice fragrance to it. So as you can see now, this is just my regular blow dried hair here, and it has no product in it, and I'm going to use this now and put it into my hair. So if you look at this from up close, you can see this is your molding clay here. You got to put your fingers in here and get a little product on your hand as such, and then what I'm going to do is work it into my hands and then into my hair. So I'm going to put it in my hands here, blend it in as such, put it like this and this, and you can actually feel it. It has like a, not really a wet feel, almost like a drier feel to it, and it has a little bit of stickiness to it. And then I'm just gonna run it through my hair like this, and I don't have to do too much, just a little bit from the back and the front, like so. And you can see it already gives me a shine into my hair. You start shaping it nicely, and it will hold like this. Now the good thing about this is when I go out, if it's a really windy day or if there's any kind of problem outside, this holds up well in all different kinds of weather conditions. And like I said, for me, it usually holds for a few days. So if you look at it now, is giving me some shine to my hair. So that's like a matte shine. It's not too shiny, but it is shiny enough to give a little bit of life to my hair, and it feels nice like this. So I usually use this product quite often and I enjoy it. Now because my hair is short, I don't need too much product on it. You can always start with a little bit and apply more if you do feel like you need more product on your hair. But again, because my hair is short, that was more than enough for me. I know it's going to give me a nice shine, a nice hold, and when I go out today, it will work well for me for the whole day. Again, this is not my first rodeo with the product, that's why I'm able to tell you this. So another little secret I have that I do with my hair here to keep the same product in, if I want to keep it for the second day sometimes, and if the strength is dying out a little bit or it feels a little bit weaker the second day, I add in another American Crew product, and that is the American Crew Boost Powder. So sometimes I add a little bit of this in on the second day just to give a little bit more strength back to my hair. And this boost powder also is a little bit drying of the hair, so if you're feeling that the hair is a little bit greasy, you can dry it out a bit with this product. I'll probably be doing a separate review on this in the future. So that's my quick and simple review on this particular product. I thought I'd mention it to you guys because I love it and I use it a lot. I've got to give a thanks to my friend Hanif, who I saw him actually using this product about a year ago, and his hair is a little bit longer than mine, but it always looked really nicely groomed and shaped, and we were doing sports activities, but then his hair would still stay standing in a good position after we're doing activities, and I'm like, what kind of product are you using for your hair? So he's the one who actually recommended it to me. And then once I got it, I fell in love with it. And one of the things I love most about it is that it holds your hair nice and strong, but it also doesn't make your hair hard. It's still soft. When you touch it, your hair feels soft, but it still holds in the right position. And I used to hate that about the first hair care product I used, which was that spiking glue. It used to make your hair really hard. And even my hair would start falling out after when I used that product. With this one, my hair stays good. It holds in position. It doesn't feel too hard. It feels nice. My hair doesn't fall out, it's not too greasy. There's a whole bunch of benefits to this product. It has a good fragrance to it, all this kind of stuff. So hopefully, if you guys are in the market for something similar, give this product a shot. I definitely think you'll like it. And if your hairstyles are similar, medium, shorter hair, and you want to try this out, give it a go. And then if you do try it, please do come back and leave some comments in the comment box for me of how you like this particular product. So this is my review on the American Crew Matte Clay Hairstyling product. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so, and remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Take care, and we'll see you guys again next time. Peace out.